when you turn a lock, you have to do it in a certain sequence.
Mm-hmm.
You cannot be off 1 degree. You cannot go past it a second time. You get right, left, right.
Mm-hmm.
So it's the same thing with our routines. Our routines are like padlocks. The morning the morning ritual, the exercise, the spot between lead generation, and then scripts, and then the number of people that you talk to is an actual combination.
Mm-hmm.
And if we just do it enough, it will unlock all the success that we want. It is a combination. If I miss the morning, guess what? I'm off a digit. If I miss script practice, I'm off a digit.